Telling Claude Code to be careful is useful, but it is not an access control. Permission rules are enforced by Claude Code, outside the model. A production workflow needs both clear instructions and a tool policy that can actually block unsafe actions. Rules resolve in a strict order: deny, then ask, then allow. A broad deny wins over a narrower allow, and a matching ask still prompts even when another allow also matches. Design broad boundaries first instead of expecting specificity to override precedence. A bare deny such as bash removes that tool from Claude's context entirely. A scoped rule such as bash with an RM pattern keeps bash visible but blocks matching calls. Choose removal when the role needs no shell. Choose scoped denial when safe shell work remains useful. A practical reviewer can read files and run observable commands such as git diff, git log, tests, and builds. Keep network mutation, package publishing, deployment, and git push outside the automatic allow set unless the task and environment explicitly require them. Do not confuse command flags. Allowed tools specify calls that execute without prompting. The tools flag restricts which built-in tools are available. Permission mode controls approval behavior. Combine them deliberately, and remember that workspace trust affects project supplied allow rules. Test one example from every rule class. Confirm allowed calls run, ask rules prompt, denied calls fail, and the repository remains unchanged unless edits were intended. Least privilege is an observed behavior, not a settings file that merely looks correct.